Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in this video, we're going to talk about virtual machine, a complete guide of 2025. Okay, so I will try to make it a little bit simpler so that everyone can understand easily. Okay, let's start. So what is a virtual machine? So virtual machine is like, it's your computer. Just think like this way. You imagine this, like your computer is like a house. A virtual machine or VM is like a little pretend house you built inside your real one, which means this is a home and this is your pretend home, like kind of a doll house. Okay, it has its own wall, windows, even its own furniture, but it lives inside your home. A VM is typical like this. A VM is a pretend computer made from the software. You can use it to run different operating systems like Linux without changing anything on your real PC. It's super useful for learning, testing softwares, or just staying safe. Now let's talk about why Linux. So now, why Linux? Because it's free, it's powerful, it's it what the cool nerds use. Okay, so Linux is an operating system like Windows, Mac OS. Okay, but it's open source. That means anyone can use it, fix it, improve it, plug, or it run on your old hardware. So it's great for the practice. Even kids can try it. So now let's talk about how to set up one. So to setting up a virtual machine in a system is pretty easy. You just need to download this VirtualBox or VMware, whatever you want. Then to download the ISO file of that Linux machine and just install it. For example, I have with me right now a machine. Let me just come out my full screen view. Just open. I have installed virtual machine with me on my system. If it is open, you just need to create a virtual machine like this. Let me just turn on the setting here. So I have given actually the name of Linux. I type is a Linux by default, and I have assigned around 512 MB of RAM here because I don't need more. Just click on settings, sorry, system. You can see about the system and display. I want to give 128 MB of video memory. I can provide here. Here's the things. Here you just need to upload that image file that you have downloaded. For example, the ISO file which you downloaded from that official vendor website. Example like Ubuntu. I will just see if I have something with my system right now. You go to download. Probably yep, I have an Ubuntu 12 image file.iso. I just click on open and it's not connected. Let's click on OK and click on start. It will take some time to load it up. So you can try and play around, do whatever you want, break it. It will work. So yeah, as you can see, I have loaded my virtual operating system inside my system. So this is what the virtualization is looks like. It means. Now let's talk about. What can you do with it? Now you have installed it. Now you have connected with the virtual machine. It's loading up. Now what's next? Now just play around. You can run some command, install apps, break stuff, and if anything goes wrong, just hit reset. No harm done. Okay. A Linux VM is it's like a sandbox, safe, clean, and all your to explore. It's perfect for coding, ethical hacking, or just learning how computer really works. Then I think if you like to this simple, simple video setup, I have a dedicated video for this in this channel. Just hit subscribe button, and I'm gonna provide you in this link. So just go and play around.